Imagine you're a detective investigating a mysterious disappearance. You have a clue, a digital asset called Beam. But where do you start your search? What wallet holds the key to this digital treasure? Beam, a privacy-focused cryptocurrency, is a fascinating digital asset. But to explore its world, you need a reliable wallet. Let's dive into the options available and uncover the best wallets to support your Beam journey. Understanding Beam wallets. Before we explore specific wallets, let's understand what a Beam wallet is. Think of it as a digital safe where you store your Beam coins. It's a secure place that allows you to send, receive, and manage your Beam. Key features to consider. When choosing a Beam wallet, consider these key features. Security. The most important factor is security. Look for wallets with strong encryption and multi-signature options. User-friendliness. A wallet should be easy to use, especially if you're new to cryptocurrencies. Compatibility. Ensure the wallet is compatible with your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and mobile devices. Additional features. Some wallets offer extra features like staking, dApp support, or hardware integration. Popular Beam wallets. Now, let's explore some of the most popular Beam wallets. Beam Core Wallet, the official wallet developed by the Beam team. It's highly secure but might be more technical for beginners. Atomic Wallet, a popular multi-currency wallet that supports Beam and offers a user-friendly interface. Exodus Wallet, another multi-currency wallet known for its attractive design and ease of use. Yora Wallet, a Cardano-based wallet that also supports Beam. It's known for its security and staking features. Ledger Nano S/X, hardware wallets that provide the highest level of security for storing your Beam. Choosing the right wallet. The best wallet for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a beginner, Atomic Wallet or Exodus might be good options. For advanced users seeking maximum security, a hardware wallet like Ledger Nano S/X is a solid choice. Additional tips. Backup your wallet. Always create a backup of your wallet seed phrase to avoid losing your funds. Stay updated. Keep your wallet software up to date to benefit from security patches and new features. Research and compare. Don't rush your decision. Research different wallets and compare their features to find the best fit for you. So, which wallet is the right one for your Beam adventure? The answer lies in your specific needs and preferences. By considering factors like security, user-friendliness, and compatibility, you can choose a wallet that will keep your Beam safe and accessible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Beam hunting!